So, ito na naman tayo mga kapalangga. Gumawa ang inyong inday. Linang bread. Ayan. Ito yung ginawa ko today. Sinubukan ko siya. Nalagyan ko siya ng chocolate na white. Meron tayong raspberry. May strawberry. Ayan. Yung strawberry natin, yan yung raspberry natin. Ayan pa yung ating white chocolate. And yung ating peanut butter. Ayan. Ayan pa, may raspberry at saka peanut butter guys. So, sinubukan ko lang kung ano ang lasa ng ating bread for today. Ito yung recipe ni Inday Jocelyn. So, thank you for watching guys and support my reels. Thank you guys.